Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G100 and let me show you how to change speed of time-lapse video recording at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to get access to more modes of this camera. Now we have to focus on video and pick the time-lapse. So here we are, we can start recording this type of video by simply tapping on the big button at the center, the shutter. To change speed of time-lapse video recording, we have to move to right side and pick this small button, so we get access to the slider and we can pick between 4, 8, 16 and 32, so you can stay on whatever you need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.